Most people use AI completely wrong, and it's costing them hours every week. So I spent 7 days testing 5 AI tools to see which ones actually save time and which ones are hype. These are the tools I wish I knew sooner. Tool number 1, Perplexity. If you're still Googling everything, stop. Perplexity gives you fast, verified answers with sources. And it's way better for research. I used it for a week and cut my research time in half. This one alone is worth trying today. Tool number 2, Gamma. I didn't expect this one to be good, but it creates full presentations from a single prompt. I tested it for 7 days, and it saved me hours of design work. If you make slides for work or school, this is a game changer. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. I used it to turn my scripts into studio-quality voiceovers. It sounds shockingly real. If you create content, this tool makes your workflow 10x faster. Tool number 4, Notion AI. I used it to organize my tasks, summarize notes, and plan my week. After 7 days, my workflow felt smoother than ever. This is the AI assistant I didn't know I needed. Tool number 5, Zapier AI. This one blew my mind. I connected my apps and automated tasks I used to do manually. After a week, I saved almost 3 hours without lifting a finger. And before you go, most people use ChatGPT like a search bar. Here are 3 prompts that instantly make it smarter. Act as my productivity coach. Ask me questions before giving advice. Rewrite this to be clearer, shorter, and more professional. Break this task into a step-by-step plan I can follow. Use these, and you'll get way better results. If you want part 2, I found even crazier tools, including one that literally plans your entire day for you. Subscribe so you don't miss it.